right, here we go. Steve John. 2 first names, Steve and John. All right, we're passing everybody on a corner. Just because they passed doesn't mean we have to. So this, oh, now look at that. Line of sight issue. Can't tell if there's another car coming. Now we can. So here's the lane split. See, you notice how this is all we need? But still, why are we passing? Think about it. Why are we passing? Are we riding our own ride? No, we're not. So we're coming up to here. Our buddies are passing. Hopefully you guys have Cardo Pack Talk, Bolds, Free Comms, Spirits, or the Edges, whatever. We have Pack Talk Edges here at DDFM Crew. Love them. You can talk to each other and say, hey, I'm not passing right now. Once you get in the front, slow down a little bit, and I'll tell you when I'm passing. If you have good friends, they're going to let you do that. At this point, I'd probably get right back into line because I can't see around this corner. This is a bad line of sight. Just because they did it, look at, they're already safe. They are, we're not. Let's make ourselves safe once we have a better line of sight. So let's say it's a straight line now, it's a straight road. Then we look, okay, now we can go. Tell them to slow it down because your Bluetooth system, the Cardos, will be able to reach them. So like right here is when I would pass. Right here, not back there. You see how you can see super far? Okay. So make sure you guys are talking to each other. Very, very bad. All right, Lee Guzman. Pretty high rate of speed. Road surface is terrible. All right, so, oh, he crashed. Oh, you can't Flintstone it, buddy. Ooh. Ooh, you see the face? And this is why we have full face helmets, everybody. That would have been his face ripped off. Imagine your teeth broken, your lip ripped off. Yeah. Very possible. That guy crashed too into the little ditch. So now we got 2 people to rescue. 2 people to rescue. I had a transient patient towards the end of my career, just tripped and fell face first onto concrete, and it was the most horrific dental, just everything just shattered just from standing and tripping and falling face first. Imagine at speed, face first into the ground. We're talking Predator, face just flayed open. So right here, a little bit of a panic. This is why we have a full face helmet. So if you need to find helmets, we have links in the description for Voss helmets, which are great. And if you want to get an LS2 like this guy has, then grab one from RevZilla. Links in the description for that too. Ooh. And we're going around a corner. We have the side of the vehicle. We're slowing it down. Good job. Handled it pretty well. Okay, so this is one of those things where it's like, okay, we're going around a corner. It's a blind corner. We can't see anything. We're going to go and do a decent rate of speed. We're on London Roads B656. Okay, we're going 60. We have a GPS right there. We are not using a quad lock, but that's fine. Okay, we want to use the Cardos, if anything, so we can hear our phones. And as soon as we see that side of the vehicle coming out, so this is that little pattern that we talk about all the time. Okay, that means there's an intersection there. What we need to do is progressively brake. We have a great straight line. This is a good situation to be able to do this, and we're going to get ourselves out of here by making sure that we have a good total stopping distance. Now, we don't have to stop. We just have to slow down enough. Right here, during this time, we just have to slow down enough. Maybe we slow down up to this point, and this person's already out of our way. And then now we can go ahead and accelerate if we wanted to. Or actually, not in this lane. That's I'm thinking United States. But maybe we can, when he gets into this lane, we can still kind of adjust our speed, which is exactly what he did. So he did exactly it. He's explaining everything he's showing what I'm explaining here. It's very good. So rolling off the throttle. Didn't even have to apply the brakes. Maybe applied some rear brake. And handled it. Did a great job. I was just trying to explain exactly what he did. All right, faster than some, slower than most. All right, it sounds like me. Here we go. Ooh, we went a little wide. Almost went. You see that? We were right. What are we rev bombing? Oh, is his bike screwed up? Where are we going? What was this? No. No, what is going on here? Did something happen to his bike? I don't know, buddy. Let me know what happened. Let me know what happened to your bike, because we're coming up through here. We're going at a decent rate of speed. Something either got locked up, maybe his engine. You start to hear the RPMs. We start going wide. Write in the comments what you think happened. But we shouldn't go all the way to the right. We should stay right here. Something happened to where we got pushed over here, and then we start to hit... We hit the wall first. High rate of impact. Not good. Not good. Write in the comments what you think happened in this video right here. Okay, guys? I have no clue. If you ever want to know where to get motorcycle training online so you don't have to travel anywhere, check out the MTC Rider Academy. This is part of the membership bundle, which is only $4.99. Look, we get all these different lessons all the way through here. Many, many videos. Everything you're going to need to know how to ride and start riding a motorcycle the smart way. And you get a whole bunch more. Check it out. Links in the description. It's only $4.99 the first month. Prices go up in 2023. So lock it in right now. Let's go ahead and get right back into it. Okay, look at the gas prices. All right, so we got people merging, people being dumb. Hey, what are you doing? Lots of people doing some dumb stuff. Thankfully, nothing happened. This is a close call. Oh, he's going to get pissed? He's going to get pissed? Come on, man. I hate it when drivers just do this stuff. I mean, it's dangerous for one, but it's irrational. The feeling of anger, cool. You're angry. Your feeling of anger is there. Your behavior is terrible. Is this what you do when you're angry? Or should you do some breath work? Should you calm your nervous system down? Should you try to see it from the motorcyclist's perspective? Can you take a pause and see if you did the wrong thing or right thing? No idea what this says. Oh, it's the same thing with the motorcyclist, dude. I don't care about road rage. He's having a lot of close calls. We're gonna move on. All right, here we go. Having some fun with tipsy tripping rednecks. But make sure you don't crush your ankle. Some things can happen. See how it's like stuck? You could easily crush an ankle when you're having fun and doing some cool things. They're probably talking to each other on their cardos. Grab yourself a cardo using the code DDTF. All right, can't tell what this guy's name is. Kind of pushed off in different areas. Not a good situation. I don't really care. We're moving on. This guy's just like a bad driver. This guy's just a bad rider. I don't know. Maybe it's just a bad area. I don't know. Let's move on. Charles Magnuson. Danger spotted. Release throttle. Very good. Nice after action review. Let's go ahead and go back just a little bit. Start it over so I can see what you did. Okay. Ooh, a lot of uncommon things. People are all over the place. There's that side of the Prius. We're going to get ourselves out of there. Great job. Finally, they use a blinker only to merge into another car. Yeah. Whoa! Whoa! Because they wanted to get in that far left lane. See, this is one of my problems that I have with drivers is that, we all have GPS at this point, for the most part. So let's say, okay, we're coming up to here. We got cut off. So let's put ourselves in the mind of this red Prius. We need to get in that far left lane. Okay, I have my GPS on. I have my quad lock, in my car. I have my phone going. I like to have GPS going, even if I know where I'm going, just in case. Just in case. Who knows? It shows that there's cops, shows traffic, and all that stuff. It tells us to get in that far left lane. Let's say we miss it because of traffic. Okay, we go through the intersection. It's going to adjust and tell you to turn left at the next one or do something, do a UE or whatever. Then do that. Just because it tells you, hey, turn left, and it doesn't mean you have to go. It's like, when Michael Scott is like, hey, turn left, where he drives into a lake. It's the same thing. So right here, it's like telling him probably to turn left, and so he's just like pushing people out of the way. I got to get into that left. And more than likely, it's an elderly person. More than likely. And now they're in that left lane. It creates so much hazard, but the thing that this motorcyclist did that was great was saw that there was a situation. He said he rolled up the throttle, and we're going to go ahead and swerve out of the way. So great red stage maneuver, got yourself out of there. You did fine, handled it well. And good thing with this rear camera, you got some really good footage, man. Got some good footage.